How to start copywriting. Eventually, copywriting is an easy path to financial freedom. Still, the start requires dedication and a strong mindset. Starting a career in copywriting involves a combination of learning and practice. Here are some steps to help you get started. Learn the basics. Master the fundamentals of writing and read about persuasive copywriting principles. Study your audience. Know who you're writing for. Understand your target audience and tailor your message to their preferences. It is crucial for crafting effective copy. Study successful copy. Analyze effective advertisements and marketing materials to identify key techniques. Practice regularly. Write mock ads and seek feedback to improve your skills. Practice is the key in everything. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing diverse samples of your work. Think of it as your CV for the next step. How to start. Look for entry-level positions or freelance gigs to gain real-world experience. Freelance job sites are the go-to places at the beginning. With these steps, you should be able to start working with copywriting. To grow into a professional copywriter, you still need to utilize some industry secrets and tricks. There are more in-depth tips and tricks in the following videos.